This water is coming from Parakrama Samurdaya. Can you see? Wow. Jesus. Look there. Look. Yeah. This is 14 kilometers before Polonnaruwa. Things you find in here when you come into this area. It's amazing. So we're at Parakrama Samurdaya. This is built by Sri Parakrama around 12th century. To this day, this supplies water to 18,000 acres of paddy fields around here. So this the whole reason to build this is to provide water to all the fields in Polonnaruwa, because it is the dry land. That's the whole reason they built this. He built this Parakrama Samurdaya. Right over there, there's a statue. Will go there, but what a marvelous! Can even imagine how he built this. My idea is to give you guys other options to go around Sri Lanka than going into famous tourist attractions in YouTube videos. So this is why I'm taking you guys over here. This is a UNESCO heritage site in 1982, I think. That's why I wrote the book about this and the UNESCO heritage sites. We are going to some of those places right now, today and tomorrow, and we are going to Kandy tomorrow. So this is one of the places you should come if you're in Sri Lanka. So right next to Parakrama Samurdaya, there's the first stop. Maybe it's a Poth Gul Viharaya. kind of like a park, and Poth Gul Viharaya means there must be a Buddhist temple somewhere over there. Actually, in my knowledge, we haven't heard, this is not one of the famous ancient sites that when anybody coming to Polonnaruwa and Radhapura. So this is King Parakrama. So okay, so that's what is famous for, the statue of Parakrama. There's a lot of myths going on to what he's holding in his hand. There's so many arguments to this day, and some claim that this is not King Parakrama, but for us, this is who did the Parakrama Samurdaya. Oh wow. So peaceful here. Just listen to the sounds of the nature. So this is one of the sites you actually should put on your itinerary if you're coming to Polonnaruwa and Radhapura. So I think that is the actual library well, that used to be. See, never learns. I mean, after watching even this video, maybe have a pride to yourself not to do it. If you, after hearing this, still doing it, you're like everybody else, stupid. I mean, I never understand why Sri Lankans can't just put anything in a trash bag. Never understand that. See how beautiful it is, and you guys like just ruining it. Oh my God, look at this. Jesus. Look there. Look. Yeah. I mean, people haven't heard a trash can. Really? Just put in a trash bag, take it with you when you're leaving. You dress up nice and everything and come and over here and drink and leave it on the floor. How hard it is to put it in a trash bag. So I'm not sure how old this is. I'm not sure. Let's see if I can find something. This must be somewhere water came out. Yeah, this must be. Wow. This may be the library entrance, maybe? I don't know. How old this is. To this day it's like really strong. Wow. This must be the Dagabe. One from here. This must be somewhere like this studies or something. I think it looks like it. This must be like a house somewhere over here. The thing is that there's not a lot of explanation over here. I bet there's other stuff in here hidden. Massive, still to this day from 12th century, still providing water. So all this area, you need to buy tickets, especially for foreigners, and you cannot do videotape. So if you guys come here, it's free for the locals and 4,000 rupees for foreigner. And they want to see the ID even I'm a Sri Lankan, because it's free for the locals and 4,000 for foreigners, too much money. And they have guides, so the guide's always trying to get into your car and just try to sell their services. I mean, they need the money, but you can Google all the information and before you come here, and you still need a step-by-step guide. You can get one from at the door. So we're going to Anuradhapur right now, so we skipped the whole thing. It's unfortunate that they need IDs. Okay, we'll see you in Anuradhapur.